dancing on the I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up.
What's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're here at Lexus, as you can see. I just got word from my friend Eddie that the tires for Supra wheels are here. So yeah, let's get it. Even though we already got it. What's up, man? How's it going? What's up, Ed?
What's up, again?
Welcome home. Make this work.
Yeah, that's what the work I want to see is this man.
Oh, he's up.
I know. That's right, eh? He's up.
Damn! Oh, that's fat.
Like the 300 club.
Finally.
Oh, you look at 2 hands.
Yeah, I was born there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
250.
I was asking him how many times he get pulled over. Wait,
That last part, the body to weight ratio, it means that this thing's like a freaking rocket.
Yeah, it feels like a go-kart, exactly.
Well, because it's light, you got lots
so
of
light, yeah.
It's just an ongoing 5-year project so far. Eddie,
Anytime, man.
nice to meet you, Mario.
Ciao, buddy.
Salamat.
Take it easy.
Yeah. Ingat. So finally, guys, I think we're gonna be officially unboxing the AGs that we picked up for the Supra last year, believe it or not. And for some reason, I ended up picking up TEs and running those last year's season. But this year, we're going ham, okay? That's why I picked up the tires, and we're gonna drop them off at Ape and see if we can get them wrapped today. That way, you know what? Just get it crossed off the list and give the Supra the wheels that she really deserves, you know? The rear tires got 305. Hopefully, this prevents you from fishtailing too much with Supra because they're notorious for that. Finally, 300 club. Unless you've been following me religiously, you probably know what they look like, but a majority of you have no clue what wheels I'm putting on the Supra. And I don't really know why I ended up throwing the TEs on there last year when I promised AG that I'd rep them. Then again, no shows happened last year, so I wasn't really that motivated to complete my Supra. But this year, now that it seems like there's a little bit of a normality back in society, it's time. Let's just go all out. What I mean by this is they're actually having car events in Calgary again. So I think it's time for us to go all out on our builds. Or, I mean, if you don't really have a due date for your projects, then it's on you. That doesn't really give you any guidelines or an obligation. That's kind of why I'm thankful for events. It pushes you to better yourself and your car. So we'll just toss everything into the MDX. But before we do that, let's officially do the unboxing of the AGs. So we've actually already test fit one of these wheels, but the reason why we brought it into the photo room is I want to take nice photos of it before we really put it through some wear. Yo, guys, we got another package in. Check. Look what we have here. We're actually planning on having a new drop mid-June, but I designed 3 new nobody flags for the KMR website and for any garage. Whoa, sweet. Oh, KMR. Oh, this one's so sick. Damn. All right, guys. Our new Nobori flags. Or if you want to get technical, it's pronounced nobody. So this is just a hiragana translation of cherished ambition, or long cherished ambition. The plain black kings must arise flag. And of course, gotta show some love for our team mascot, Kimuri. So that's it, guys. New merch designs dropping mid-June. That's the plan. And we're starting to venture into new style products and just different stuff, you know? We're past just regular clothes now, and we're starting to kind of do all accessories and whatever we find cool, you know? So just follow us on the Instagram and I'll let you guys know exactly when these are dropping on the website. Okay, let's get nice photos of our AGs. Guys, I think I'm satisfied with that. For anyone wondering, this wheel is by Avant-Garde and they are the AGL 46 style. I got it finished in gold bullion. I mean, since it's 3-piece, you had the choice to color the face a different color, the outer barrel, and the center caps, but I opted for a full gold bullion. And what's really cool about these super custom wheels is I even got them to custom engrave us a KMR center cap. So, one-of-a-kind wheels. I mean, I guess it's just a center cap, but still. I'm gonna get these finally wrapped in those Potenzas and then throw them on the Supra. We'll see you guys at Ape. And we're here.
No weight.
Damn.
No weight.
You're okay.
Yeah. Oh, even same for the other front, no weight.
So that,
only the rear has a little bit of weight.
So possibly they do this at factory?
Perfect.
Wow.
No, it's just it's the combination of the rim and the tire is at a perfect weight.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So you buy good quality rim and tires.
Yeah.
They usually don't require
The
much
balance.
weight, or they don't require weight at all.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what you get when you get real parts. Sweet, Han. Thank you so much, man.
No problem.
Dope.
You're all good, bud.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Get one for the vlog. Appreciate it, Han.
No
As
problem.
always, helping me out with all my builds. Sweet. The wheels are wrapped. Let's bring them back to the shop. Finally, throw these on the soups. Alrighty. Oh, these are for the front. Alright. We are just test fitting one wheel right now. Haven't torqued it, but let's see. That's with a 10 mil spacer. The first wheel is on, guys. Oh, this makes me so excited. Let's just get the other 4 on, or 3. Let's just get the other 3 on. Oh my God, damn! My heart. Oh, dream car. Can I sit in it?
Yeah, go, please.
Oh, First time sitting in a Lotus. Okay, wait. No, you can't go in this one, dude.
It's hard to get in and out, but
I see.
and passengers seat.
Oh my god!
It's like a car. It's so much fun.
Is that why the clip is off the seat?
Yeah.
Holy hot damn, man. Yeah, check out in here. It's so track spec. It's definitely not meant for big people.
Hey, what is this?
I think that's supposed to go here.
Oh, to the middle. So it, yeah, just latches down.
Okay, it's everyone's first time here with a Lotus, okay? Give us a pass.
Yeah, from your side.
Guys, financial mistake? What is this doing here? Okay.
But there is a glove compartment. Or maybe that's just fuses.
Oh, that's the fuse box probably.
Okay.
I can't even open that. Look at this elbow room. I gotta give it all to him.
Overlaps.
It's like if he wants to change gears, I gotta give it to him. Ta-da! Sweet. Hella tight, but yeah, it's so basic in here. For some strange apparent reason, there's a Lotus here. Yo, can you bring the wheel over here?
Going up.
Oh.
Is it on?
Yeah.
So he just leaves his dog here?
I just thought about that. What the hell?
Yeah, I just know that too. Yeah, every time I'm
Oh,
here,
that's why he likes hanging out with us instead.
there's people here. Yeah, let's see. Let's stretch it.
How'd you guys like that transition? Going up!
Yo, the dog's underneath it.
Oh!
I didn't even notice
Guys! Oh, we would have flattened him. Please.
Stay here.
Going down. No! Oh, wait.
You could go lower. Yo, let's go hot boys.
Since it's staggered, the rears actually have a little more of a concave look. Probably end up bringing the Supra back to Ape because those guys have an alignment machine, but this looks good to me. Let's bring it outside. Actually, no, we can't. Damn. Let's just toss on the rest of the wheels and call it a night here.
I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up.
Damn. That's it, guys. That's it right there. What she was supposed to look like last year. But then also, we just got word that there might be a car event happening closer to the end of summer in Calgary here. So that's the first show in 1.5 years. Whereas like half the US is like back to normal already. But hey, it gives us a little bit more time to get these things ready. Our only show season. But yeah, this looks sick. He thought no one was looking.
I was gonna be quiet.
Well, that's kind of funny. Now I'm looking at it, both Beamers actually have a similar theme going. Dark blue with gold wheels. That wasn't really planned. Well, actually, it kind of was, man. I don't know, there's something about gold. Raise your standards, go for gold.
Tonight I'm in it for the big fun. This time I'm bringing out the big guns. Bang, bang, they wonder can I get some? What I got's for everyone. Yeah, sit down and get to know the sofa. Stand up when shit is taking over. Come here if you was getting sober. What I got's for everyone.
Not really too big on the God mode there, Birdie. But,
Really?
Yeah. It's not very popular, and we already have another bag, but that's okay.
Got my key tags in. And actually, this was at the doorstep. A charge pipe for the Supra. More Supra parts. Oh my gosh, guys. These were on the doorstep. More car parts. I think this is a gaming chair actually. So I picked this up off eBay for like 260 bucks, but it'll have to wait for later. And this puppy, Zenus. They make gaming chairs. And I actually just bought this off Amazon. Went with the quickest, cheapest, and also gaming chair that fit the theme of this room. Let's assemble her, shall we? Coming in for his butt scratches. You asked so politely, I got you. You butt. Okay, first of all, this is how squeaky my old one is. Finally, guys, a new chair that's less squeaky and that's actually ergonomic and good for your spine. Believe it or not, this cushion that goes behind your lower back is actually a massage pillow. Check this. Hook it up to your USB. And it has 3 settings. I'm just product testing right now. Oh my gosh, that reverberates the entire chair. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh, this is a dangerous chair. If you're not careful, you'll forget that this is plugged in and you'll just rip it off, which is what I just almost did. And then of course you have junction produce, Zenus. Is that actually how you pronounce it? Actually, if any representative from Zenus is watching this video, your guys' logo looks pretty dope. It reminds me of the Black Bulls symbol from Black Clover. Guys, I'm so stoked on those wheels that we just put on the Supra. But it's time that we go on to phase 2 of our phase 1 for the Supra. Other than a color change, we're gonna be wrapping it before the summer's end. I'm gonna be working on power. Like, we're almost done with the looks, the physical aesthetic of the car. So now we make it go faster. The reason why I got the charge pipe is because we're gonna be boot modding it in the next day or so. So try to gain just a bit more horsepower before we throw it on the dyno and get it tuned. Try to make a track-worthy, streetable Supra that is just fast, you know. And also, guys, that Lotus, what the heck? I didn't really see myself owning one so soon. So at this point, I don't see myself deserving. Not yet. But yeah, that's a big but. It's a huge maybe. You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned, and I'm gonna have to sleep on it. It's the epitome of a ground alien spaceship go-kart. Okay, that's definitely what it is. So that's it, guys. No more squeaky chair. Really nice looking Supra, and more power in the future. More power to you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for being here and for watching my videos, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.